Friends, today we're going to know how to design a knight in AutoCAD 3D. This is our practice drawing over here. Today we're going to do two steps. The first one is we're going to design by dimension. The second is we're going to take a trace by importing an image file. To create a new file, just click plus over here. It will take you to the new drawing over here. Turn off the grid. Now we're going to check our units by clicking giving command U and space decimal, type decimal, precision 0.0 units millimeter. Okay, then we gonna give a create a layer by giving command LA space. Just click the yellow over here. We gonna give a name night. Just make it current layer. Have changed to current layer. Just close the tab. It is a night. Okay, today we gonna do two operations over here. By using dimension, we gonna draw the bottom layer over here. The next part is we're gonna import the image in our AutoCAD workspace. Then we're gonna make a trace over the image, and we're gonna do extraction over there. Let's see how to do things now. Friends, this is our dimension. We have dimension. So let's see how to draw a bottom layer over here. Length is 26, width is 2. Let's draw a rectangular. Command REC space minus 13. 26 divided by 2 is 13. Tab Y is 0 space. We're gonna give D for distance. Length into breadth space. Length X is 26 space. Width is 2 mm space. Just left click on your mouse. By tapping the scroll button, double click, the drawing will be in center. It will be easy for us to search. Then we're gonna draw same rectangular, length 26, width is 2 over here. So we're gonna make operation copy, CO space, select the object over here, space, click the object over here, we're gonna paste it over here, escape. Then we're gonna make degree 45 degree. Okay, now it is in single object. Just select the object. We're gonna do explode, X for explode space. Now it has been changed to multiple objects. Now we're gonna rotate it for 45 degree. The command rotation is RO space. Select the line over here, space. Make this as center to rotate. We're gonna rotate for 45 degree. Now we're gonna rotate it to clockwise direction. So we're gonna mention minus 45 space. Just we're going to do extrusion over here, EX double space, click the line over here, it will touch the object over here. Okay, now we're going to do mirror, MI space, select the object that we're going to do mirror space, X is 0, tab Y is 0 space. Just we're gonna mirror the object. Just source no. Now we're gonna do trim, TR double space. Just trim the unwanted object, escape, click the object over here. We're gonna do erase, E for erase. Okay, this portion have completed. Then we're gonna draw a line for here. 9 plus 4 13. So y is plus 13, x is minus 10. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Okay, we're gonna draw a line L space x minus 10 tab. Y is 13 13 space. We're gonna draw a length for 20 mm. Escape. Press escape. Just the second we're gonna do offset for 2 mm. So we do offset O space. Left click the cursor. Move towards the direction 3 mm space. Click the object that we're gonna do offset. Make to upward direction. Then we're gonna draw a line for 16 mm length. Height is 15. So we're gonna draw a line. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 9 is equal to 13. 13 plus 3 16. 16 plus 15 is equal to 31. So we're gonna draw a line L space. X is minus 8. 16 divided by 2 is 8 sorry. Tab Y is plus 31 space. By using scroll button, we can zoom in and zoom out our objects. We're going to mention distance 16 mm escape. Then we're going to offset O space for 1.75 mm. Just select the line over here. Just move it downward. Okay, escape. The first arc is 0.9. We're gonna go to arc over here. Just click the arrowhead over here. Click it. We're gonna need start end in radius. In start end radius, there are two types. Okay, the first type, in case this is the start point, this is the end point. By moving, have you seen? By giving start and end direction, the curve's direction will be inward or outward. It will decide. We need outward direction. So let's press escape. To repeat the command, press space. This is the start point. This is the end point. Have you seen the direction? 0.9 degree. So radius TR double space. Then the second radius is 10.62. To repeat the command space. Sorry. Start and radius. The second portion is 10.62. So same. Click the object over here. Arc start end radius. This is the start point and this is the end point over here. 10.62. Okay. Then third one is 2.62. Same. It is in outward direction. So same. Start end radius of our outward direction. This is the start point. This is the end point. We're gonna give 2 point. I think 2.62. 2.62. Then it is in outward direction. Radius 6. To repeat the command space. This is the start point. This is the start point. This is the end point. Sorry. It is in outward direction. Okay. Radius 6. TR double space. Trim the unwanted commands over here. Then we're gonna draw a line L space coordinates x 0 tab y 0 space. Just make it over here. Escape. Now we're gonna give command TR double space. We're gonna trim the unwanted lines over here. Escape. Just click the object over here. E for erase. Select the objects over here. E for erase. Now we're gonna make it single object by giving command J for joint space. Select the entire object that we're gonna do. Escape. Star space. Sorry. Now it have changed to single object. Now just change 2D wireframe to shades of gray. It will be easy for us. We're gonna give command revolve REV revolve space. Select the object that we're gonna revolve space. Make it 0 tab 0. We're gonna make this as reference and we're gonna rotate to 360 degree. Okay, and the portion have been done. The second portion is we're gonna import an image file. Just go to Google, just search night or I have searched horse logo in chess that we use in chess. I have received this image. By importing this image, we're gonna make a trace. By importing this image, we're gonna make trace and we're gonna paste it over that. Okay, just close the object, open the AutoCAD, and we're gonna give command X or external reference space. Just go to tab over here, attach DWG now. Click the arrowhead over here, go to attach image. It will show the location. I have saved the images in desktop. The preview will be over here. Confirm the preview and make open. Just make it okay. Left click. Okay, the image have been, we have imported the image. Now we're gonna trace the horse in the upper area only. Okay, for that we're gonna use the command spline. You can click over here or we can give SPL space. Just make a trace over here. This is the first point. This is the second point. Space. To repeat the command space. First point. Second point space. The first time if you're gonna make a trace, it seems a little difficult, but try to practice more. In case if the object it is in a difficult area, I mean a difficult to understand or the difficult dimension we can't do by exporting an image file. We can easily draw the object. Sorry, Control Z space. Sorry, SPL space. This is the first point. Okay, our trace work have been done. Just select the image. We're gonna do E for eraser. Oh, we had just missed over here. Friends, now trace out has been done. Now there are so many multiple objects over there. By giving J space, select the entire object. We have changed into single object. Now the bottom layer, the bottom dimension, and the top dimension is differ. By visualization, we can see it's mostly differ. We know one thing. Just open the PDF file. We know one thing. Just move it over this side. The distance of the upper pillar is 16. So the horse should be 16. So we're gonna do two things by using scaling method. Another one is align. Let's see how to do scale and align the series. Just DLI dimension linear. Sorry, before that we're gonna take region REG space. DLI space. Click the end to end. Measure the distance over here. Just zoom in by using scroll mouse. The distance is told 1685, but we need 16. So you're gonna open a calculator. CAL space. We're gonna find the ratio. So we have to enter the least value. 16 divide by 1 to 1685 space. Just select the value over here. Control C. Now we have copied the values. Now we're going to scale. The shortcut of scale SC space. Select the object space. Pick any one point from the object. Select it. Just move to the command box and we're going to do Control V paste. Now the value has changed to 16. Without changing any dimension, we have shrinked the object to 16. Now we're going to give Control Z. The second value is align. Just close the tab. Just select the we're going to D for erase. So AL space. We're going to draw 16 length a line. Now we're going to draw align. The shortcut of align is AL space. Select the object that we're going to align space. Click the end first point. Sorry, AL space. Select the object that you're going to align space. Click the end first end. Just paste the first end over here by using zoom. The second end. Select the second end. Just paste over here the corner space. It will ask whether we have to scale or not. Just give S. It will automatically scale itself. Now just we're gonna move and we're gonna paste over there. So M space, select the object that we're gonna move space, pick the endpoint over here. Just select the endpoint, just move to the pillar over there. Now we're gonna paste at the endpoint. Paste it over here. Just zoom in. It will be easy for us. Okay. Now just click home screen over here. Now we're gonna do. Have you seen the UCS icon bottom? It has now the UCS it is in center, so it have been pasted in center. In case if the UCS icon, right? In case the UCS icon it is in topmost area, it will paste on the topmost area. We will do a practice drawing in future about the UCS. Now we're gonna do extrude. E X T space. Click the object. You're gonna extrude space. Move downwards to 4 mm. Okay. Now we're gonna do press pull object. Just press the press pull over here. Select the horse head and drag in opposite direction to 4 mm. Now there are two objects. We're gonna make it single by giving command union UNION space. Select the both object space. It have changed to single object. Now we will rotate 3D RO space. Select the object space. Just select the red over here. We want to rotate in this direction to 90 degree. Just enter the value 90 space. That's we have finished it, friends. Now we have to go in. We're going to add a material in the command MAT space. Select the Autodesk library arrowhead. Move downward. There's a wood. We're gonna add a material board. Just left click, long press left click. Don't take your hand. Just drag it over here and make to the object. Just take the hand. Now we had updated the object, but we couldn't see. For that, we have to go to realistic. Click the shades of gray. Go to realistic. We have added material. Now we're going to fillet F space R space 0.5. The reason of using fillet is there are two types. In case if the corners are in sharp, in case if the object fell down, the object will easily get damaged. And the second purpose is in case if it is sharp, if we handle it will damage our hands. So mostly designer use fillet or chamfer at the corners. It will give the strength and it will safety for our hand also, for handling purpose also. Just apply the fillet over each and every area, those sharp corners. Just select each and every area, space. That's it, friends. Finally, we have designed our knight over here. Play our chess. Thanks for watching.